In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create profiles Civil 3D. By the end, you'll have a clean, readable profile view generated directly from your alignment and existing surface. Before we start, make sure your drawing already contains an alignment and an existing surface. If your surface came from a public data source, such as an official county website, just ensure it's imported and visible in your prospector so Civil 3D can reference it. Begin by selecting the alignment you want to profile. This tells Civil 3D exactly which path to sample across your surface. If you have multiple alignments, click the correct one in the drawing so the software uses the right stations and geometry. Next, open the Create Surface Profile command. From the ribbon, go to Home, then Create Design, then Profile, and choose Create Surface Profile. This opens the Create Profile from Surface dialog where you'll set what gets sampled and displayed. In the dialog, confirm the alignment shown at the top is the one you just selected. Then choose your existing ground surface from the list. Click Add to include it in the profiles to generate. Adding it cues Civil 3D to sample surface elevations along your alignment stationing, which is the backbone of your profile. If your surface doesn't appear, double check that it's part of the current drawing and not just referenced elsewhere. When you're ready, click Draw in Profile View. This launches the Profile View wizard, which controls how your profile will look and how much information it shows. Pick a profile view style that matches your standards, whether that's a simple grid or a company template. Select a band set if you want automatic labels under the grid. Things like existing ground elevation, grade, or stationing along the bottom help with readability. Review grid options such as vertical exaggeration and grid spacing to make slopes and breaks easy to interpret without overscaling the view. If needed, refine the station range so you're not plotting more than you need. You can also align the horizontal and vertical axes to your project units and scales for printing consistency. When everything looks good, click Next or OK to finish the wizard. Finally, click in the drawing to place the profile view. Choose a clear area with room for titles and band labels so nothing overlaps. After placement, zoom in to verify labels, grid visibility, and that your existing ground line is continuous. Remember, the profile is dynamic. If you update the alignment or the surface, you can rebuild the profile view to reflect changes. Save your drawing, and you're ready to annotate, design a proposed profile, or share with your team.